Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. In this math tutorial, we are expanding this algebraic expression using Pascal's triangle. Now, since we have this expression raised to the power of 4, we are going to use the fourth row in the expansion. Now, let's make a formula that we are going to use when expanding that. Now, that formula will be given by a plus b to the power of 4 is equal to a to the power of 4 plus, remember we put a coefficient of 1 on that, then we put a coefficient of 4, a, we reduce the power of a by 1, that will be a to the power of 3, b. We add that to 6, a, we reduce the power of a by 1 again, and we increase the power of b by 2, plus 4, we put the coefficient, and then we say a, we reduce the power again, b to the power of 3, we increase the power of b, then we add that to b to the power of 4, because we have a coefficient of 1 on that. All right, now if we compare the formula that we've just created with this expression, we can take our a to be 1 and b will be 2 over x, and that will be to the power of 4. Okay, and then we are going to say a to the power of 4, that will be 1 to the power of 4. We just put a 1. We add that to 4, 1 to the power of 3. Remember, a is 1, you just get a 1, and b is 2 over x. We add that to 6. A squared, a is 1, remember 1 squared is 1, and we have b, which is 2 over x. We square that, plus 4, a is 1, and we have b, which is 2 over x to the power of 3, plus b to the power of 4, that is 2 over x to the power of 4. Now we are going to simplify further that equation. We are going to say now 1 plus 2 over x to the power of 4 is equal to 1 plus 4 times 2, that's going to be 8 over x, plus 2 squared, that's 4, times 6, that's 24. And we have x squared, that will be the denominator for that. And then we add 2 to the power of 3, that's 8, 8 times 4, that is 32, divided by, we have x to the power of 3 on the denominator. Then we add that to 2 to the power of 4, that is 16. 16 over x to the power of 4. Then we have managed to expand that binomial. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Enjoy your day.